Jopuonjre ka tiego jochiw thieth ma Isiolo KMTC oyudo fuong'ruok tok kane ogernegi ute mag nindo. Kuonde nindo manoger e bwo County ma Isiolo nyalo ting'o jopuonjre 224. Maeri en okang' ma ineno ni biro jiwo som jopuonjre ka koro gibiro dak e kar tiegruok ma Isiolo KMTC. Lokruok ma kama orwaki kaluwore kod oganda mathoth mawuok e alwora ma Isiolo ma jodare kinde ka kinde ahinya to ka oro kod lwenje omonjogi. Jopuonjre mawuok e alwora ma jopith wek odakie orwako gedo mar kuonde nindo ma kamago.
Project would want the student fraternity to double the number, would want critically the infrastructure that is at your disposal to be equally doubled.
KMTC today is 96 years old. We celebrate the county of Isiolo. We celebrate the county of Isiolo for several reasons. The first infrastructure to be done in this campus was done by the county of Isiolo.
As a county, we know we'll support you where possible. And as the CEC Health, we have to ensure that this hospital has all the right personnel, all the right departments, and all the right specialists to ensure that you get the best when you go.
Support in terms of human resource, infrastructure, and supplies have really enhanced our performance as a campus. The support that they have accorded us has helped us to mount 4 programs, successfully mounted and passing very well in final qualifying examinations as well as the regulatory bodies examinations.